How to draw Jin Lee from Turning Red. We are going to start by drawing his left ear. This will be a tall C-like shape. Next, we are going to draw the outline of his face. For this, we will start at the bottom of his ear and draw a curved line going to the left. Then we are going to draw a slightly wavy line for the right side of his face that will connect at the bottom of that curved line we just drew. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw Jin's hairline. We will start at the top right of his face and draw some wavy lines across his forehead and then a line going downwards right inside of his left ear. Great job! Now we are going to draw a straight line connecting from the bottom of his sideburn to his left ear. For the next step of drawing the hair, we are going to draw a diagonal line going upwards from the right side of his head. Then from the top of that line, we are going to draw a curved line going downwards connecting to the right side of his face. Then we are going to start at the top of that diagonal line again and draw a big curved line going all the way around his head connecting to the top of the left ear. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Our drawings are looking great so far. For the next steps, we are going to draw Jin's face. First, we are going to draw his lips by drawing a curved line near the bottom of his face. Then we are going to draw a curved line on top of that for the top outline of the lips. And lastly, we will draw a straight line going through the middle of his lips. Next, we are going to draw his nose and glasses. We will start by drawing two diagonal lines going outwards in the middle of his face. These will be for part of his glasses. Then we will draw a curved line connecting the bottom of these two diagonal lines for the nose. Then from the diagonal line on the left side of the nose, we are going to draw the left part of the glasses by drawing a square-like shape with rounded corners. From the top left corner of the glasses, we are going to draw a straight line to the left ear. Great job! Now we are going to draw the right side of the glasses the same way, but it will go a little bit off the side of his face. Then in the middle between the two sides of the glasses, we are going to draw a small curved line for the middle piece that goes over the bridge of the nose. Next, we are going to draw his eyebrows. For these, we are going to draw two small oval shapes that overlap with the top line of his glasses. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings are looking awesome and we're almost done. The last steps will be to draw his right ear and his eyes. For his right ear, we are going to draw a backwards C-like shape coming off the right side of his face. This will overlap a little bit with his glasses. Next, we are going to draw a wavy line inside of each one of his ears for detail. Next, we are going to draw Jin's eyes. First, we are going to draw the left one. For this, we are going to draw an oval below his left eyebrow. Then inside of that, we are going to draw a half circle on the inner part. This will be for his eye. Then inside of that, we are going to draw a C-like shape and bolden it for his pupil. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We are going to draw his right ear now the same way. Looks awesome! Now for the final step, we are going to add some lines throughout his hair for detail. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing came out awesome and I can't wait to see, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, give it a big like below and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.